there you go. Hey guys, we are wrapping up week 1 of our Fit for Festivities, and so we're going to go over our boot camp workout to make sure that you're getting all of your exercises correct. So we're going to start today and warm up with burpees, everyone's favorite. So there's a couple ways you can do burpees. You can jump out with a push-up, in and up. You can jump out and down to the ground, in and up. If you need to modify it, out and in. And finally, you can walk it out if you need to. Walk it back in and jump. And if you walk it out, you might want to put the push-up in there if you can. So from there, we've got a chest fly with a leg lift. So you're going to get down on the ground with your weights, legs out, and you're going to fly those weights. So you're going to come out straight, fly, and lift those legs up. Bring everything down till it's close to the ground without touching, and then back up. All right, after that, we're doing our flutter kick squats. So you want to squat, jump, jump, squat. Okay, and your modification for that, if you can't do the bounce, is to either just squat or squat and tap. Squat and tap. And then for abs, we're going to be doing the seated bicycle. So you're going to get down on the ground, legs up, and we're going to bring arm to opposite knee. Make sure you're fully rotating and use your abs to rotate as you go. After that, we're going to be doing lunge with a lateral raise. So remember on your lunge to keep your legs at 90 degrees and don't let your knee go past your toes. Keep your weight on the heel of that front foot, and when you do your lateral raise, make sure you're only coming up to your shoulders and no higher. Then you're going to sprint. So if you're outside, you can pick a distance and sprint. If you're not outside, you can pick something to get your heart rate up. So you can run stairs, you can do burpees, you can do mountain climbers, you can do jumping jacks, anything that's going to really get your heart rate up. Okay, and then we're going to do a squat with a curl and press. So you want to try to keep those legs in close. Squat back, up and curl, and then press. So you want to make sure those hips are back, like you're squatting over a public toilet, and you're on the heels of your feet. And then finally, we're doing ice skaters. So you're going to get down into a squat and move those feet behind you, right here. Okay, if you need to modify that, take out the bounce. All right, good luck. Let us know when you're done.